Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to design a mechanical components. Okay, so for that purpose let's start today's session. So for that thing, firstly we are just going for a start from here. Click on that mechanical design, and here we are enter into the part design. Okay, so just click on this. After entering into this, first step we need to do is like a selection of plane, and we need to enter into the sketch workbench. So assign a plane first. So you can select any plane from here. So for now we are just going to selecting XY plane and entering into the sketch zone from here. So click on this. Okay, now according to the sketch we are going to first make a circle here. So just come here and just select a circle from there, select it, and after doing so we are just going to give them a constraint value, so that we will gonna assign a proper diameter to it, and that diameter will be equal to 200 mm. So press enter there. So here I am having that circle with a diameter. Now after that I just need to make a line here. So for that purpose let me just make a random line first, and after that I am just going to assign the diameter here. So accordingly the diameter will be equal to 60 mm for now, and just click on that. So what I need to do, I have to make one here also with at the same distance. So I'm just going to use the use of mirror command. So select first my sketch, go for mirror command here and select the reference about which you want to make a mirror. So just click on that. Here you can see that this the line is going to be completely at mirror, and we will gonna get this thing from here. So I just need to remove this extra stuff from here. So for that purpose just go here, select the quick trim command, double tap on it, click on that, double tap, so that you're gonna get it already like activated. Okay, and I have to remove this thing also at the same time, as well as this. So this is the sketch which I like require. Okay, now after that I have to just go for like a exit workbench from here, and here you can see that this is like a completely constrained sketch. Okay, click on that, go for the exit workbench from here. Now the time came for the pad command. So pad is directly means like the addition of material which we are going to provide to it. So click on that, click on OK, and here I just need to assign the length. So according to the sketch, the length of this particular sketch should be going to be equal to 30 mm. So go for preview from here and click on OK, right? So after doing so, we are just going to use or working on the edges of this. So with the help of with the help of control, just select all those edges to it first, like this. Okay, and select the edge fillet command from here, click on that. Now here I am just going to assign the radius value. So here I am going to give them a radius of about 18 mm to it. Go for preview from here. Now you can see that how it will be viewed, and click on OK, like this. Okay, now after doing so I just need to give them a radius to this zone also. So for that purpose select it first, and we are again just going for the edge fillet only. So now this time it is going to be working on this particular edge. Okay, and the radius value currently I am just going to give them as a 10 mm for now. Go for preview from here and click on OK. So ultimately the sketch which you want is like view is going to be like this. Okay, now the important part is I have to remove and make it as a complete vacant, right? But it is seen as a complete solid. So what I need to do here, I have to use this shell command for here, and just have a look. Click on the shell, select it first. Now like they are asking about like a inside thickness. So firstly I am just going to give the thickness first, and like they are asking about like a faces to remove. So which faces I have to remove? I want to remove these faces. but if I remove the thickness, it is going to be activated as of about 6 mm. So that's what the thing I have assigned a 6 mm here. So go for like okay for now, and here you can see that it is like coming or like a view like this, right? So that's what the thing is. So now after that we are just going to again like a sketch zone for here. So select this particular surface and just go for the sketch part. Now here we are just going to make a diameter also. So for that purpose, make it down, select a circle here, go for zoom as well. So just randomly first I am making the sketch here, and after that I am just going to assign the distance all which is required here. Okay, so just give me a second so that I will gonna check the dimension. So select it here from the center to this particular point, the outer one, which is equal to about, double tap on it and make them as a 43 for now. Okay, the diameter which we want to give to this particular circle is equal to, select this one, double tap on it and make them as a 28 mm for now, right? And yes, the center point where it should be lie, so select with the help of control, select this as well as this and go for here. Now here you can see that a coincidence is showing, and just make it like this, right? So here if you observe that the distance is obtained from here, but I have to take it from like a 43, okay, which is from the center. So I'm just going to delete it first and select it once again with the help of control, select this center point first, yeah, and go for here as well, right click, go for the horizontal distance, and now I just need to give them as a distance of about 43 mm. Now this is going to be completely fine, which is required to us also. And now after that we are just going for the exit workbench from here. So just click on this. Here I have to again like use the pad command for now. So just select a pad command from here, and here you can see that it is showing to be like this. But the thing is, I want to go for like a reverse or like in the downward direction. So just click on that, and the dimension which you see like a 30 here, I just need to raise it to 35. Click on that like this. Okay, go for preview once, check how it will be viewed to us, and that's what the thing is. Okay, click on OK for now. Now after that we just need to make a hole here. So for that purpose, just select this one and select this particular surface. Okay, and we are just going for a hole command from here. So click on this, right? So after doing so, we will just going for like a position sketch for now. So click on that. Here you can see that the point which is showing in the form of like a white, right? That's the position which we need to assign. So for that purpose, we are just going to define like from where it is going to be lie. So for now, let me just go for the exit workbench for now, so that I will gonna do some changes here according to the requirement. I want to make it like up to next. Okay, and the diameter which you can see here is, I need to change it from 10 to 12 mm. Okay, just click on OK for now, and here you can see that the the things that which I want here is like completely obtained to this particular position. Now what I need to do here, again I going to give them H flat command here. So for that purpose, select H flat command from here and selecting this outer surface, click on this. Now I just need to assign the radius value. So let's say I'm just going to give them 2 mm for now. Okay, and click on OK for now. Click on OK. Here you can see that the sketch that we are generating here is like this thing. Okay, like this, and that's how the thing we want to make is. Anyway, so one more thing is this. After doing so, you can see that So we are going to create a chamfer here. Okay, so go for a zoom for now and select a chamfer command from here. So click on that and select the location where we want to make a chamfer. So here you can see that the length, it will be shown as a 1 mm, and we need to change it to like a 1.5 mm for now. Angle you can see like a 45 degrees, so we are just going to keep it that thing and just go for preview from here and click on OK. So here you can see that the chamfer is also going to be obtained here, right? After doing so, we are just going to make this kind of the thing that we have made here to this other places as well. So for that purpose, what we need to do, we are just going to use the pattern command. Okay, so just before moving forward, just focus on the selection which I'm going to make. So with the help of control, what I want to do is like select this one. So here I am having as a pad, which you can see like a pad 2. So in pad 2 command, it is like this thing is going to be obtained. Okay, what I need to do, other thing like a hole also I want require here, right? And another thing that I want is like, let me select, that is the edge fillet command. So I have already selected all. Now I'm just going for a rectangular pattern command. So just click on that. Here you can see like an instance and spacing is going to be assigned. Okay, that will be completely fine. And now like we just need to select the reference element about, right? So the reference element is this one. Okay, and for reference element, here the selection will be like this. Wait a second. Yeah, so selection will be like this, and you can see also, right, that the spacing in between them is like showing as a 20 mm, which you can see. Okay, so what I need to do, I just need to go and change its spacing also. One more thing I left is like the chamfer in this selection. So click on that and let me select the chamfer, because the chamfer we have created here, right? So it will be going to be like working on that domain also. Now after that, I just need to give them a spacing also. So here I am going to assign a distance of about 120 mm, and here you can see that this sketching is going to be obtained, right? After doing so, just go for like a second and all. So the moment you are just going to click on the second direction, right, what I need to do here is just going to get in that direction as well. Okay, let me make it like this. Go for here, second direction is like open. Okay, which you can see, and the dimension which I need to do here also is like 120 mm. Okay, sorry. And here you can see that the thing is going to be obtained to this part, right? Just go for preview for once and click on OK. And here you can see that in just one go only we are able to make, or like going for mirror and all. So we just need to completely focusing on the one, and the rest with the help of rectangular pattern command we just need to go for align in that zone. Anyway, now after that we are just going to again like a sketch zone for here. So click on that, go for sketch for now and make a circle one more. Go for zoom and let's create here. So just click on this and click on like this, and here the diameter which I want to give is like double tap on it and make them as a diameter of about 82 mm, sorry. Okay, so after doing so, we just need to assign its location. So for that purpose, just select here as a constraint from here, right, and select its center point as well. Click on that. With the help of from here, the distance will be going to be equal to about so just double tap on it, make them as a 60 mm for now. Press enter here, and another dimensions is like completely fine. Yeah, that is now it is shown as a completely constraint. Let's make one more as well. So click on that and just select one more circle as well from here, like this. Now what we are going to do, again I just need to give them a diameter first. So just double tap on it make them diameter 60 mm for now, and the center distance with respect to the horizontal one will be equal to 50 mm. Okay, so just click on that with respect to the horizontal one, double tap on it and make them as a 15 mm. Okay, like this. Now after that, the distance between both the circle centers, okay, is going to be like this. So for that purpose, select this one first, select its center point with the help of control, pressing control, select this one, and here you can see that it is going for like a complete slant, right? So right click of your mouse button on that and just make them as a horizontal measure distance. Okay, double tap on it, and the distance between them is going to be assigned as a 60 mm for now, right? Now that is completely fine, I guess. And after doing so, I just need to make a, you know, with the help of corner stuff. So just have a look, go for zoom once, select this corner, with the help of control select this one as well as this, and I just need to make it like this. Go for the control Z once again. Okay, come here, this one is showing for the complete, right? Here I am having an arc here. Okay, this one is not, I am having this one, so this will be showing as a complement, but this will be showing as a complete arc. So just click on that and make it like this, so that it will be going to make a complete arc, because I have to make this one also. So with the help of corner, select it like this and just assign certain distance. So this thing which we got, right? But here I again like gotta get again the same thing. So just click on this once again, so that it will be going to be completely you know, attached with this. And after that, what I need to do, just select you know, trim command and click it like this. So here you can see that it will be like completely gone from here. And now the important part is like the dimension that we are assigning here at the in place of constraint of you know, here. So go for zoom, the radius which we have given, it should be like a 10 mm only. Go for zoom here as well, double tap on it and make them as the radius of about 10 mm. Now this is going to be completely fine. Okay, so after doing so, we are just going for like exit workbench from here, rest nothing else is required. So just go for exit workbench from here, so click on that, and the thing that we want is like already gonna obtained. Okay, and here we are just going to select a pad command, so click on that. Now I just need to assign a length, so I'm just going to give them a 15 mm only. Go for preview and click on OK for now. Here is the thing that we want is like generated. Okay, I hope that this is completely clear to all. And like now after that, we are just going for working on this particular sketch. So for that purpose, let me select this sketch first. Selecting this one, this particular plane, and just go for the sketch portion once again. Here you can see that it will be showing you the forward direction, but we need to work on this domain, right? So we are just going to work on this, right? Select this one, and here we can see that just by clicking on this, I am getting the zone which I want to and where I need to work. So just select a circle from here and click on like this, right? Now what's the important part is like what the thing that you are making here, right? It should be follow the, you know, the bottom part also that we have created here as well. Okay, so that's what the thing is. So anyway, just select it, this one as well, and this one too. Wait a second, this one, go for here like this and make them as a coincidence ones. That's how the thing is. And next again we just need and click on OK once. Yeah, like this only. Make one from here as well. With the help of control, just select it like this one also. Click on this. Okay. Go for here like this. Make them as a coincidence as well and click on OK. Now ultimately you are getting both in this domain as well. And let me just assign the dimension first, because previously I haven't given any dimensions to it. So first let me just go for the control Z once again. I just need to remove this sketch which I have created. Delete this first. Let me assign this dimension. So the diameter which I need to assign, this one is going to be equal to 38 mm. Click on that. Okay, so for that purpose I just need to delete it once. Just have a look here. I have to make one circle and one more as well like this. Okay, now I want to measure the dimension. So for that purpose I am just selecting this length as well as length of this one. So here you can see that some length is showing here, and I want to just make them as a complete concentricity, so that it will be going to follow the center point of that particular bigger circle that you have created, right? Same thing I have to make here also. So for that purpose, select this one, just go for like a constraint from there and select with the help of control, select this one. Here you can see that the diameter, it is showing something, right? So click on that and make them as a concentricity. Now it is going to be like completely at the place where we want, and after that we are just going to give them a value of the diameter as well. So here the diameter which we need to give is like 50 mm per center, and for this purpose, for this particular smaller one, we are going to give them a diameter of about 38 and press enter from there. After doing so, we are just going for like a exit workbench from there. Okay, and now like we are just going to go for like a pad command. So just click on pad command to here, and rather than the length of 15 mm, I am just going to assign as a 5 mm for now, and click on OK. Right, so till here I hope that everything is completely clear, right guys? And this is how the thing is going to be viewed to us. Apart from this, we are just going to make some holes here. So for that purpose, what I need to do, let me just make it like this, and select this particular face and just go for hole command from here. Click on that. Right, after entering into this, I just need to change its diameter also. Okay, and here the diameter will be going to be equal to 40 mm for now, and we just need to give them a going for the position sketch also, so that we are going to be completely assign the location, because where we want it should be like completely at that particular place only. Anyway, so apart from this, after selecting all these things, just go for and select the constraint from here. Select this as well as with the help of control this one also, and just make them as a complete concentricity to it. So here you can see that the concentricity is going to be like here, right? Here is the location where we want to, or like going to make a hole there. Okay, just go for the exit workbench from there, and here you can see that the diameter we have already assigned, and now we are just going for a preview for here, and click on OK. So here is the things that we want is going to be obtained, but it should be like it should make this thing also completely outside. Wait a second, let me just go for back up to last. Click on OK. But this should be not view like this. Okay, up to next and up to last. We have used the pad command for that to remove. Anyway, let's make for working on this part first. Select this one and just go for the hole once again, click on that, and now we are just going to work on some other extension type. So rather than simple, we are just going for like a counter board. Okay, and here the diameter which we are going to give is like of about, click on that and make them as a 35 mm for now. Again go for the extension, click on that. Okay, up to next, go for preview once and click on OK like this, right? Now like we are just going to give them edge fillet command there. So for that purpose I am selecting all those edges of this outer one, okay, which you can see like this. Just go for edge fillet command from here. Select the radius value which we are going to give them as a 3 mm for now. Press 3, go for preview, click on OK, right? I hope that this is going to be completely fine to work. Okay, so here is the thing. Apart from this, here you can see that this is like completely outside, right? Double tap on it, make them as a complete active, and the reason behind it is showing as an outside because this you know, the thing that we have selected, go for like up to next. Now this is going to be preview, click on OK. The sketch which you can see, right, the thing we have created is for make them as a surface. If you are going to click reverse direction, the surface is not created. Or another thing we can do is like we can just directly delete it, no issue in that too also. Click on OK for now. So ultimately you will just remove that because we completely focusing on this domain for now, so that's why we are just going to work on this for now. Okay, anyway, so now like we are just going to work for the pattern stuff. So for that particular things, select this one, after selecting this, going for a whole command. Okay, so first let me go for exit movement from there. Selecting this, go for the whole command from here, make them as a complete blind. Here is, this is also like a complete you know, simple, and after that we are entering into the position sketch for now, right? Okay, so apart from this, let's just make one circle there. So I'm just considering you know, like this kind of a circle from here. I'm going to give them a diameter value to it. So the diameter which I'm going to assign as a 61 mm for now. Okay, so with the help of, you know, this particular center point as well as this, and go for like a dimension. So I'm just going to make as a complete coincidence. So here you can see that this is going to be lie here. Okay, right, let's make it like this only. Apart from this, okay, so let's make it concentric first. So click on that, select this one, go for here, make them a concentric. So here it will be like completely constant. Now the dimensions which I need to give is like from here to this distance. Go for like a vertical direction for now, and the distance for the vertical, which is going to be equal to about, let me just giving them, double tap on it. Okay, and here it will be mentioned as 61 to press enter. It is like completely going out, so let me check once again. Okay, so what you gonna do here, click on that, select this one as well as this line, and with the help of like this, make them as a concentric. Go for like Control Z. It should be coincident, so that it will be going to be completely lie on it, and on the basis of that we are able to make a hole on this particular line. Okay, anyway, so just go for the exit workbench from here, right, and just go for like just change its diameter value, make them as a 15 mm for now. Go for preview once. Yeah, that is completely fine, and click on OK. Okay, now it is completely fine. Apart from this, I just need to select this hole, the last one hole, right, and from here I just need to use the circular pattern command. Okay, and apart from this, so for that patterns I want to make like a complete 6 number of such holes, and important part is like about the selection. So here I am selecting as a reference will be like this one, so that it will, you can see it is like completely working on it. Okay, and apart from this, I just need to make them as a complete crown. So rather than we are going to selecting this thing instance and the angular spacing as a parameter, select as a complete crown, so that it will be going to give you all like this. Go for preview and click on OK. So here is the thing that is like obtain, okay, as a model. After doing so, so rest we are just going to give them some chamfer stuff here. So select this one, okay, and just go for chamfer from here, give them a like 1.5 mm only, click on OK. Same thing I am going to give here also, with of same diameter or same length, like this. Okay, apart from this, here you can see the circle that I have created as well as circular pattern which we have created. Go and give them edge fillet command. So rather than 3 mm, just make it as a 2 mm for now. Go for preview. For 2 mm is much more, I guess. Go for preview to all. Okay, click on OK once. Now this time to select a circular pattern. Yeah, so it is not selecting actually. Okay, so let me just go one by one selection of that, and here it is. Go for preview once and click on OK. So that's how the thing is going to be viewed to us. Okay, apart from this, you just need to go for like tools command from here, hide all the sketches that you have created in this thing. Okay, as well as tools, go for hide all the planes also. Okay, go for zoom once again, and the thing that you have hiding is completely fine. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to selecting all like a part body from here. Go for the property zone, click on the graphics, and here I am just going to apply some color on it. Click on OK, and here is the thing is. I hope that this is going to be completely fine to all. If you have any queries at all, do mention in the comment box, guys. I will gonna answer there. Okay, so for now, thank you and all. Have a good day to everyone. Thank you.